Yeah, first, I would like to elaborate on the things that I said on the conflict. I had some technical problem on my computer, but I said that the inner conflict Links have is that he has a fear of rejection. He has been rejected many times throughout the story. First of all, at home, he was not properly accepted, not properly loved. You could say that his mom really loved him at home, but also this is kind of not true because we have this quote on page 105 said, I wish someone would come look for me like that. It's when a dad is looking for his girl, his daughter, who has become a homeless kid. Then also when Ginger is killed, he thinks that he left him, and then he kind of spirals down this depression. I don't know. I think I already spoken about it, but yeah. So he can't bear rejection. But you could say that he comes over this inner conflict about rejection, because in the end he's actually again rejected by his girlfriend, Gail, who was named, who was a reporter. So he was rejected again at the end, and he was again left alone. We don't know what happens after this, but we haven't gotten any clear kind of clue that he's over this. Although the entire relationship with Gail, he has a hard time, and always thinking that she's speaking with another guy when she goes to the phone all the time. So he has a hard time with rejection. Oh, if I can go to the next page. Yeah, the story's ending. The story's ending is very, very bad and weird. It seems like the author really just wanted to be done with the story. All of a sudden, Gail is a reporter and never really liked Link, as she flee or she goes back to her normal life after the ending. So, and the ending goes so quickly because it has been building up to this big collision between Shelter and Link, and then it's over in about 5 pages, and it ended with the police all of a sudden coming, and then we find out that Gail is not a homeless kid, and it gets really, really weird. And then we have this open ending at the end where Link is just standing and I can do whatever now. It's really weird. Then the theme of the story, I've written some themes down, which is rejection, acceptance, and cold war, kind of all the same, because the theme, I would say, in this book is that not being accepted in the society. All people around Link and all the people in London is not accepting him. We see Shelter is kind of the ideal picture on how the homeless kid would want people to act around them, give them a bit of comfort, and give them maybe something to eat, some dose, I don't know. But not being accepted in society, actually on page 23, we hear what these homeless kids are so drawn to, and it's there it says, it's a comfy couch, there is a comfy couch at my house. This is what shelter lures all these homeless kids in with, this comfort, which is what these kid really wants. So we have this cold world where there is a small society which is not accepted in this in this world. Yeah, we have this society, the homeless kid, which is not accepted. Yeah, they're not accepted. You could kind of I don't know. Sammenlign with the black people, how they were not accepted in the USA, and they were also kind of just the underdog. People were looking down at them, and they were not real people. And then actually the book have its own message at the end of the cover, which is can you help the homeless kids? Which is if you look at my cursor, they even have a number if you want to support the homeless kids. So it's the big message or this book have is to get awareness about the homeless kids and how they need help. Sometimes they are not the reason that it's not their own fault that they end up on the streets. This were my presentation of the book. It was kind of long. I'm sorry for that. You will get it in 2 parts, but I hope it's okay. I'm also sorry that the picture is kind of blurry. I'm using actually 3 computers. One for my webcam, one for the PowerPoint, and then one for my notes. It's weird. So that's why I've been staring different places sometimes. I'm sorry for that.